Hello guys, this is Rohit from techievoke.com and today I am going to review Local Hero. Local Hero is a software, is a tool that helps you to generate leads without any investment. Also, it shows your prospect or leads and what they are doing wrong and what you can fix and uh, what you can charge for, and do all these things on autopilot with just in 5 minutes. I'm going to show you. I'm on the dashboard of Local Hero. As you can see, here we are on the dashboard. Here is our main dashboard. Then we have Google Lead option, then we have email template option, then we have email verifier option, then we have web analytics option, then we have schema verifier option. These are the tools, and we have also local tools. I'm going to show you everything, and you can manage clients directly from here. And you have general bonuses, semi bonuses, and agency training. This training shows you everything from scratch, how to prospect clients. I'm going to show you that also. Then you have tutorial like how to use this particular software. I'm going to show you as if you pick up this particular software. I will recommend you to first go through the tutorials and agency training, because you will know how to generate leads and how to sell your services and how to most importantly make money out of Local Hero. So as further we move to this review, I have written an article. The link is available on the description below, where I have showed you everything, like how you can what the software gives you, what value the software provides, and pros and cons, and everything is on the link on the description below. And also you can see we have I have mentioned OTOs. Like before you purchase the software, you will know where you are what you are getting with this Local Hero, as you can see. Then I'm going to talk about OTOs on the end of this video. And also we have an bonus section, a special bonus, an exclusive bonus from my side. If you purchase this particular Local Hero through my link, which you can find here, you will get all the bonuses. I'm not going to show you every bonuses because it will take more time, and I don't want to waste a lot of your time. And here, as you can see, we are again on the dashboard. I'm just moving to the review, and I'm going to show you everything about this software. As you can see, we have Google Lead option. Here you will generate the leads. For example, if you search for a term, for example gym, if you are targeting gym, here you have to put the business you are targeting, and you have to select an address. I will select New York, and you can select the radius. I am going to select 5 kilometers, and I am going to click on submit. As I have clicked on submit, it is taking time, and now we can see we have all the results here. As you can see, we have got different kind of gyms here, and I'm going to click on one of these, and let's click on this one. And if I want to see more information this particular gym, as you can see the name and all the stuff, the contact and all the things here. But I'm going to search it again for you, and I'm going to show you how you can do all these things. Here I'm going to click again, and as you can see, we have got a different leads. It is good if it is showing different leads on different searches. Means if other people buy this software, they are again going to get random leads. So that is a good thing about this software. And as you can see, we have a button here. I can directly see their Google local listing here, and if I go through it, and I can go to their website, and I can see what they are doing, what they are not doing. And if I found something that is not that great about their software, their website, I can pitch them for a service. So this comes with a great thing. And here we have a button. As I click on it, I can see all the information here on this drag button here. So as I can see all these things here, if I want their email IDs, I can hunt email IDs, or I can hunt their, if it doesn't find the email IDs because of the website doesn't mentions the email IDs, as we have the phone number. And now what I can do, I can go to their website and I can see if they are not providing the email IDs or social media links. I can say to them like, do this, like link your social media accounts, you are going to get more leads, and do all this stuff here. As you can see, as they have not mentioned, they have mentioned their Facebook pages here, but somehow it is not picking up. So that is not an like problem, because of I can directly go to their Facebook page and I can see if they are running ads, because I am a person who gives the service of Facebook ads. I can do all. Okay, they are not running the Facebook ads. Now I can go and pitch them to like run Facebook ads for their gym. They are going to get more clients and do all this stuff here. So also I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to show you more about this software, what it can really do. So as they have mentioned their address, also like you can go to their local listing and find out what they are doing right, what they are doing wrong. So all the things you will find there. Then we have the email template. If I directly want to send the email to these prospects, I can go, I can also like create a new template. Means you are going to send like you are going to send bunch of emails to person, because of you want to make more money, and to make more money you have to approach more clients, because if you send mail to 100 people, you are all going to get 2 to 3 clients. So you have to push more emails. And we also have an email verifier. It is a kind of a thing that must be on your bucket, because if you can verify emails, then you can send the emails to your prospect or client or any of these websites. And now we have the option of web analytics, and I can analyze a particular website from here. I have to just paste the link and I can analyze the particular website. It is going to take time. Now as you can see, we have like the software has generated the report for this particular website, as it is showing that Google index unknown. So I am going to demonstrate you how this is doing. So and they have some problems, as you can see, social links and HTML pages. I'm going to see if they are having some duplicate pages or not. As you can see, it is showing everything: content quality, page qualities, text status, statics, and the conclusion. It is showing that they have these problems. Now you can copy paste it and send it to your clients. As you can like also review these, don't just blindly copy and paste. But as you can see, they have have all the site maps and all the stuff. So this site has these problems. So as you can go to this particular person and say, hey, your website is having these problems. So that can be a great prospect. And I can also validate their schema. Schema is a particular SEO thing. So I can also like see if they are having schema or not, because in today's time schema is very important. As you can see, it is okay. So no data structure found. If they are not using data structure, means they are losing SEO rankings, because schema do like factorize in ranking factors. So you can say your website has not optimized for schema. And I can also relate, like go to local tools and find competitors, similar similar businesses and all the stuff here. Then I can also manage clients directly from here. So I can go the contacts here. I can go on opportunities on this particular section. You have to like manage it and do it manually, but you can manage them from here, and you can go to clients, then you can go to projects, how many projects you are having. For example, local SEO ranking for $1,000 and all the stuff, and the tasks, pending task. And also they have included some bonuses which you are going to get with this particular software. And you can also check their semi bonuses here. They are going to give you some GPL and semi license. And the most important part which I really liked about them, they have included an training for you to get to how to like create prospects, how to like contact clients, how to talk with them. So all these things are mentioned here. So this training is really good. I have gone like through it, and the training quality is very good. Then we have the tutorial for running this particular. They are going to show you how to do different kind of thing on this software. If you jump into, like if you buy this software, you are going to know everything, like how to use it on full potential. Then we have a support section. Most of the like softwares don't comes with an support, with a good support, but they have included a support section which you can go and reach out to them. Then we have some settings. In my opinion, this software is really good. The tool is really good. If you are someone who are getting into B2B businesses and who want some clients and do all this stuff, you can really do it for pennies, because of you are going to generate more and more leads. It is hard to like generate leads on nowadays, because of in today's digital era there is competition. And like I'm going to use this software personally for my agency business. So let's come to the OTOs part. As you can see, the OTO 1 is like a hero, like Local Hero Pro. It's come with some of these things. Then we have OTO 2. They have not included most they have only 3 OTOs. So as you can see, they have done for you. If you buy this particular Hero Max client, you are going to have done for you emails, done for you agency website, done for you. Sorry, they are also included Google My Business training. Local businesses get 50% of their own like business from local listings, so they have included trainings for it. Like it depends on you, what you want to do, and you can pick up these particular things. You can also like sell it to your clients, because they have included done for you reseller setup for version 1 for this particular software. Means if you are going to resell it, you are going to get 100% of your profit. Means you can have 100% of the profit. So this was the quick review of Local Hero. I hope you liked this video, and do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. If you like this video, if you watched this video to like till the end, it really helps to my channel to grow and grow more. So thank you guys for this